Excuse my face, I've had allergies all morning and I was gonna wait till my face didn't look so swollen, but I had to get this done because I gotta go pack. So sorry, I look like shit. All right, cool, let's get started. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be unboxing my new Christian Louboutin booties, and let me give you a quick backstory. So I was actually on the hunt for the xoxo booty 85mm in a size 36, and I was like super excited about them, and I went to a few stores. I called a few stores, checked different websites, Neiman Marcus, Saks Fifth Avenue, Nordstrom's. I almost said Nordstrom's, and no luck. I think the last time I called one of the stores in Santa Monica, they said they had it, and I was like, oh my god, but they didn't. They had the suede one. I was like, I don't want the suede, I want the leather one. So I was told that they're not getting a lot of inventory right now because of the pandemic, and the stores in Italy, you know, with the stores in Italy aren't open or something like that. So I decided to look for a different style that they had available in my size. And luckily I found some really cute ones. These are only 80mm, which is cool. They're a little, they're not as high as the xoxo, but they're super cute. Let me show you. So this is the box. See? These are called the Gala Booty or Gala Booty, depending on how you want to say it. Gala Booty 85 velour, size 36 of course, size 6. 36.6. So get your box, and this is actually my third pair of Louboutins. My very first pair. I don't really wear much because they're so fucking uncomfortable because I accidentally got a 5.5. I remember trying on a 6 and feeling like my foot was like sliding forward, and I ended up getting a 5.5. I thought they would stretch, but they don't. They're patent leather. They're super cute. I've only worn them a handful of times because they give me blisters. Like my foot feels like it's being fucking, I don't know. It's just, I can't wear those. So let's get back to the unboxing. So you get your dust bag, and then you get a little extra set of heels. Let me show y'all in case you've never seen it, because this does happen when you wear your shoes a lot. When I used to work at the office, I would wear like heels, like pumps all the time, and your heel definitely wears out. You can get them fixed. I used to just throw my shoes out, and then I was like, what the fuck? Why the fuck am I throwing my shoes away when I could just do that? You also get a little note. I got a little note from Nordstrom's. Gotta get through all these layers to get to the shoe. So here's the booty. Let me put this down. So this is the booty. This is the booty. Look at how cute that is. It smells like leather. This is the heel. It's a little thin. Very thin actually. Now that I'm older, I actually like a thicker heel, but I had enough of a hard time trying to find the booties that I wanted, and I was like, you know what, first of all, if you're gonna be walking a lot, you shouldn't be in heels. You should be in tennis shoes. But these are for like a short little walk, going to dinner, going to on a date, you know, little things like that. So when you're gonna be walking in, you sit down, you look cute. Hey, red bottoms. Oh, so this is it. This is what it looks like. Let me take this out. Sorry, I get sidetracked. It has a little zipper in the back, and then of course you have the signature. It smells so good. And then let me show you the bottom. I actually tried this on earlier, so if they have a little bit of, this is the bottom. This This is red bottoms. This is blood shoes. All right. So there it goes. How cute. These are. So I'm super excited. I'm actually heading to, I'm going to Seattle today, and I'm taking these babies with me. I'm super excited, and I can't wait to wear them. So, yay! So that's it. Let me know what you think about these shoes. I think they're super cute. I still want my xoxos. So if you guys know where I can get a pair, let me know. Hit me up. Leave it in the comments. That's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
She cute or whatever.